How to add exception to Random.Randint in Python. So I have a variable that creates a random number between 0 and 10, however, I would not like the random number created to be 5. How do I go about adding exceptions to Random.Randint in Python? What I have below is not doing this. This is only returning true or false based on whether the random number equals 5 or not. How do I fix this?
You can do.
How about for a one-liner?
If you actually want an error to be raised, then you can use assert. Or raise an error if your condition is met. Or if you want to keep trying until you get a random number that isn't 5, then
Not equal is actually an operator that returns true or false. Try this.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.